there is a special significance as it marks what the former inauguration of the House of Governors and the celebration of the 88th Independence Day. The national flag stands as a symbol of our collective identity, our aspirations, and the sacrifices and struggles associated with our national journey.